Leica M11 Review. Leica's M series cameras may date back to the 1950s, but the Leica M11 is the most modern and feature-packed model to date. It still has the exceptional build quality and minimalist design that you'd expect of this style and price of camera, but it also packs in a new 60MP full-frame backside-illuminated sensor and other innovations like 64GB of built-in storage. This makes the Leica M11 the highest resolution model in an M series camera to date. In fact, it may even use the same sensor as the one we've seen in the Sony a7R IV. This is quite a jump from the 40MP Leica M10R and allows much larger prints to be made, but the downside is that such a high resolution is unforgiving when it comes to even the slightest focusing errors and lens deficiencies. The M11 is a niche take on an already niche camera, then, but it still carries many of the charms that have made the M series so desirable. It's available in silver and black versions, with the latter's housing made partly of aluminum rather than the silver model's more classic brass and magnesium construction. And its minimalist controls not only keep pure photography at your fingertips, but also maintain the more traditional shooting experience these discrete rangefinders are known for. As usual, there's no autofocus, in-body image stabilization or video recording here, so if you're after a hybrid camera you should look elsewhere. The Fujifilm X Pro 3, for example, offers a more modern shooting experience for a considerably lower price tag. But the X Pro 3 also lacks the pure rangefinder experience you'll find on the M11, not to mention its hugely impressive build quality. Overall, the Leica M11 does a good job of balancing the series' traditional charms with more modern features. We were impressed by the new sensor's dynamic range, with image quality excellent up to ISO 3200. But it is important to bear in mind the M11's limitations. It isn't built for speed or versatility, and that resolution does make it brutally unforgiving of focusing mistakes. While there is the option to shoot DNGs and JPEGs at 60MP, 36MP or 18MP resolutions, that native 60MP resolution is arguably too high for a camera of this type. But if that issue and the M11's price tag aren't deal breakers for you, it's another unique installment in a series that goes back almost 70 years.